bird seed. And people just give it away. Look, a new feeder. This is my lucky day. Those sunflowers look yummy, so fat and so sweet. Once I get to them, I'll eat.
Yes, well, here what?
Why can't I get in? Maybe if I gnaw a bit.
Yeah.
Where there's will, there's a way. I'm just sure of it.
We know this animal by many names.
Yeah.
Gray squirrel, bushy tail, and tree rat.
Yes, well, here what?
You probably don't want to feed it buckets of bird seed. The world might still await the better mousetrap, but we introduce the Squirrel Buster Classic. This remarkable squirrel-proof bird feeder has the hallmarks of a better product.
Yeah.
First, it's simple to use. Fill it with seeds and hang it up. That's it. Second, it's effective. A squirrel's weight, even of a little red squirrel, pulls the shroud down over the ports. And the Squirrel Buster Classic is affordable. It's one of the lowest priced, quality squirrel-proof feeders available anywhere. Of course, the Squirrel Buster Classic is also harmless to squirrels. So enjoy the better squirrel-proof bird feeder, the Squirrel Buster Classic.
Houston, I have a problem. This mission is history. I'm going back to the neighbors. Adios, Squirrel Buster.
The Squirrel Buster Classic is truly squirrel-proof. Openings in the wire shroud align with seed ports and provide birds access to the seed. When a squirrel climbs onto the feeder, its weight forces the shroud down, barricading the seeds. Animals are not harmed in any way. Seed ports have perches for perching birds. However, the wire shroud provides good gripping surfaces for clinging birds such as nuthatches and woodpeckers. Many species readily perch or cling. Remove the perches to discourage large birds such as doves or grackles. Transparent seed tubes are like greenhouses. They trap solar energy. The patented seed tube ventilation system permits humidity and warm air to escape through waterproof vents at the top. It's replaced by fresh air from the bottom. Seeds remain fresher. Cleaning is easy. Without tools, the Squirrel Buster Classic can be dismantled or reassembled in seconds. Because the Squirrel Buster Classic is squirrel-proof, it can be put up almost anywhere you and the birds find convenient. Enjoy the Squirrel Buster Classic.